So hello guys, so day 17 of Product Hunt. So here in this chat channel we review the products listed on Product Hunt and try to learn what's building around in tech and see what are the latest technologies and trends in the product space. So starting off we have Fuel Finance, so cloud-based financial department for startups. Okay, so this has been a brewing space since some time, and there are a lot of products like suitably targeted towards uh, the startup ecosystem, and especially the finance ecosystem of that, like chartered accountants for startups, some finance management for startups, lawyer and all for startups. So yeah, so this has been under the making. So let's see what these people have to offer in this space.
Like many founders on Fridays, Timothy sits at his desk, reviewing dozens of financial documents till midnight, thinking to himself,
"What am I even looking at?"
This is P&L, Timmy. And this is Fuel Finance, a place where finances make sense again.
That's right, but it wasn't P&L. He was looking at his quarterly Facebook ads report.
Whatever.
Right, because we take care of it. We take all of the long, boring tables and turn them into this, the dashboard.
The homepage of your business.
It visualizes data flowing from your CRM, Google Ads, Facebook financial statements, and performance reports.
But Fuel Finance is more than just dashboards and reports. So let's review a latest ad campaign.
Oh, this one was a blast. We made a ton of sales.
Those are good news, but you've made minus $7,992 in profit. And like you already burned 40% of your total investment. And
We are your financial department in the cloud, helping to channel company resources into the most profitable areas.
we build financial forecasts to give you heads up on how each internal project will perform. And according to your financial plan, you need to generate twice more users for money you spend.
So what should I do now? There's a huge cash gap coming up.
Well, if you can hold on with the launch on the new markets and focus on improving your views on existing markets instead, then you finally can start making better decisions as the boss.
This is my cup.
Oh,
You just saved my...
burn rate? Yes, but this is just the beginning.
When the time will come to address the investors, we'll help you prepare all numbers in Charles the Crayford to making you investment.
That was fast.
That was Fuel, Timmy. Now go get some sleep and we'll take care of the rest.
This is awesome. This is purely genius. So they do all the dashboarding and stuff. They do where to focus your resources and how to generate revenue, how to monitor these revenue streams, marketing streams. So I think so. This is not a small thing. This should have been in making since some time. I'm honestly impressed. No financial damage. Plan factor analysis unit. SaaS, e-commerce, professional services, construction. This is awesome. So is this totally automated? Does it need a person's help? What is the whole premise of the solution? Oh, this is Ukrainian. This is awesome. What's the pricing and all? this is pretty expensive for a startup, for an Indian startup. I think so. This is a big number. Better than an in-house team. Yeah, so if we talk about, if we don't want to have these in-house teams, then I think so it makes sense. If but like is it able to fully replace a human, which it should not. But like if it is able to even make their job a bit easier, then I think so it's a big win. So I just have one question: is the solution human intervention needed? Subscription. Yep. Awesome, yeah. This is awesome. Integrated task and calendar for all day productivity. Okay. Update next week. Okay. This is awesome. Slack, Gmail, Jira, Asana, and GitHub.
Tired of notifications controlling your schedule? Get control and focus back with Taskable. Plan your weekly priorities all in one app. Get through your backlog without stress. Build focus time directly into your schedule. Taskable integrates with all your favorite apps to let you manage your workflow with Zen. Meet your new personal assistant. Start your Zen journey at taskablehq.com.
Awesome. I want to use this. So a weekly scheduling and stuff is a big thing in the corporate world, and I think so this will help us do those things, and it integrates with most of the tools which are widely used. So yeah, awesome, man, awesome. What is this? Effortless remote investing. We help property investors make 50% more in rent. My room activates 50% higher rents. 2000 month, 3000 per month. Okay. Okay, renting by room. So you don't have to rent the whole property. You can just rent by room. We are a real estate investment platform that increases investors' rent by 50%. We do this by enabling them to invest in homes remotely and rent out each room separately. This is awesome. Less risk, zero worries, and really high returns. 85k. Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, this is the investment cost. Okay. Okay. As a startup, I think so the barrier to entry is quite high. Yeah, but for investment, yeah, the other than that it is very good. So speech to text APIs by SMDI. So I've been seeing this promotion since many days. Let's look at this. What is it exactly by SMDI? Okay. For developers, are there any like benchmarks? Because there are these models, but how good is this? Audio intelligence. Okay, it's all on audio intelligence. Nice. How's the pricing like? Oh, nice. Code transcription. Awesome. Grammarly for programmers. Oh, this is awesome. So they are using program like translation and then like understanding like how to make the code better, optimum efficiency. This is something else. This is something out of the earth. What is this, man? This is so good. Program synthesis and all. So I am pretty excited about this field, the whole field of program synthesis, and they are doing something very nice in this. Okay, this is awesome. I want to join the beta, man. This is so awesome. Let's see this link pop by Shopify. Make your link in bio shoppable.
Hey, welcome to LinkPop. LinkPop is a fast and free link to bio tool designed to help creators turn their audiences into customers. So what sets LinkPop apart? LinkPop offers a direct integration to a Shopify product catalog, so you can promote and sell your products directly on your LinkPop page. Now your audience can shop your top-selling products while they browse the important links you want to share with them. Let's take a tour. Anyone, anywhere can create a LinkPop account. Just choose your username and sign up for free. Starting off, we customize our page name, pick a profile photo, and fill out a profile description for our test store. From there, if we want, we can connect our LinkPop account with a store. Once we've made the connection between a LinkPop page and a Shopify store, all of your best-selling products are available to add and reorder on your page in just a few clicks. You can also supplement your shoppable links with the curation of standard links to your website, blog, or newsletter. And reorder and shuffle those links any way you want to curate them. Next up, we jump over to the profile page and start to configure our font, our background color, as well as our font color to get the brand settings right. Likewise, we head over to social media and add key channels, including Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Patreon. Once that's sorted, we hit publish and our page is live. Finally, all LinkPop pages have a free analytics section showing you key insights around visits, clicks per visit, as well as individual link clicks. Jumping over to the buyer side, public pages are fast and super responsive, delivering a page load about 1/5 the size of other link in bio tools. The product is designed to help conversion. Visitors can add multiples and variants of products to a bag, which is powered by Shopify's best-in-class checkout. Likewise, if users want a faster path to conversion, Buy It Now is available for any product. This checkout can be powered by any payment provider supported by Shopify, including ShopPay, PayPal, or Facebook Pay. Thanks for your time. Looking forward to helping more creators sell more through their social profiles.
This is awesome. This is purely genius, like embedding the whole checkout process in the page itself. This is awesome. Download and share quality royalty free sounds for free. Oh, nice. Explore thousands of sounds. This is amazing. We can now download songs and stuff which are freely available from this site. Okay, there's too much processing right now. I think so today's products have been like effortlessly good. Not effortlessly, they have made so much efforts, but the products are purely amazing, man. Like every one of them is kind of making me more interested in knowing about them. Awesome. So these songs are free, which is very nice. I think so I'm liking this app. So I'll just close these tabs which I'm not using right now. Royalty free ground sounds nice. Use startups, bank balance, and transactions in Slack. Oh, nice. In Slack itself. We finance did decision in Slack. Account falls below 1000. Oh, custom rules and all. Rule section is pretty flexible. So these things will come in handy for like teams which need to take some finance decisions and all. So awesome, yaar. There have been so nice products today, I can't seem to keep a track. Glide for Airtable. Build mobile and web apps on the top of Airtable. Honestly, I don't know what's Airtable.
At Glide, we want to make it easy and fun for anyone to create amazing software. We started by making it possible to build beautiful and simple apps on top of Google Sheets, because it's a data source that many people know and love. Today, though, we're making it possible to build mobile apps and web applications on top of Airtable, one of our most highly requested data sources. Let's take a look. Suppose we're running a conference and we're organizing it all in Airtable. This space is our main repository of information, where the admins and event planners can see and organize everything they need. Ideally, people on the ground at the conference would have access to this data, but giving 100 or more people access to this base is obviously not practical and definitely not a good experience on mobile. With Glide, we can use this data to power small, purpose-built apps for different conference needs. For example, we could build a mobile app for attendees, a simple check-in page for the front desk, and a portal where vendors can update their information. So let's take a look at the actual finished versions of these now. This is the Attendees app. As new talks get added in Airtable, they sync to the app where attendees can favorite them and build their own schedule. This is the check-in page, which allows people to check in on a computer at the front desk without letting them access any other data. And this is the vendors page, which allows vendors to see details about their slot, space, and other essential info. All of this stays in sync. As attendees change their profiles or check in at the front desk, the changes sync back to Airtable and between the apps. These are just some of the apps that you could dream up for a scenario like this, and it would be very easy to build more. So that's a quick look at Airtable, a new data source for Glide. Give it a try and join us in the community and let us know what data sources you'd like to see next.
What's Airtable? I just want to know. Oh, nice. So something like a spreadsheet, like a database, right? Accelerate work and unlock potential with powerful apps that connect your data, workforce, and team. So basically this dashboard cannot be shared with many people, and if you want to create a better analytics page out of it, I think so that's what the source solution was about. Bring all your data together. No credit card required. So I think so, like in this free trials, I think they have added a new kind of regime of not adding the credit card, and this actually makes us understand like how adding your credit card details in a platform might induce some sort of anxiety in the individual, and they want to not have that. Yeah, I think so that this is good. Creator Kit, video creator for e-commerce and product video ads.
We get it. Marketing is hard, especially in e-commerce, because it requires creating more videos than ever before, each of them optimized for every social platform. Advertising costs have never been so high, so you need to increase your conversion rates, which means more iterations and again, more videos. That's why we built Creator Kit, the first video creator purpose-built for e-commerce. So what's so special about Creator Kit? It has hundreds of templates to get you the attention you deserve. Creator Kit will also automatically apply your brand to all templates, generating secondary colors and gradients that will match your brand. The video editor lets you create custom templates with features like animated text styles, price tags, reviews, outlines, and many more features for e-commerce brands. You can reuse your custom templates for one-click videos. From your shop admin, just tap Create Video and your product images will be replaced on your template. Use the editor if you need to make any changes. The product catalog is also integrated into the editor so you can easily get your product images. Background removal? One click too. Custom templates can be used for video automation, which is the secret used to increase the performance of retargeting experiences. Confused? It's simple. If you sell many products, creating a video for each of them would take, well, a lot. That's why you are only creating videos for the best sellers. So when your indecisive customers leave your product page and go to social, they see a static image pulled from your catalog. Now they'll see a high converting branded video. Sign up now on CreatorKit.com and videos for the best sellers. So when your indecisive customers leave your product page and go to social, they see a static image pulled from your catalog. Now they'll see a high converting branded video. Sign up now on CreatorKit.com and start creating marketing videos in minutes at scale.
This is awesome. So what was the last point? I couldn't get it. And how do they do that if your customers are leaving the platform? Then you are attracting them again at these advertising platforms. So this is deeply integrated with Shopify and Meta. Purposely built for e-commerce, deeply integrated with Shopify workflow. I need to explore Shopify more. Retargeting ROS with need to create videos for audio catalog, scale video operations with video automation. Awesome, man. This is totally awesome. Today's product are so good. Advanced code editor for WordPress. I think so we are running out of time today, but the products are that good. What can I do? WordPress workflow reinvented. No need to waste time with pull, push, merge, get Visual Studio experience inside the WordPress. Okay, the video is not running. I don't know much about WordPress, so I am not able to understand what are they doing, but I think so it has got to do some with some customizations for WordPress, most probably. Yeah. Awesome. This is purely genius for like code editor for WordPress. SVG mesh gradients to easily copy paste in your project. Editor for web developers and okay. This is awesome. But like these are like design tools, like we can download it and use it, right? Okay. Multi-chain NFT event ticketing with Apple Wallet integration. Yeah, which allows you to create, discover, and manage events and experiences. Nice. But I'm not much into NFTs, so I wouldn't be able to relate much to it. Stats.fm. How many products are there? Okay, these many products are more there. Enter new dimension music with insights into your tech taste. Nice. The total time listen to your friends. Oh, so we are giving stats of Spotify. This is awesome. Something new. Web app to meet others and exchange knowledge for share. So for this to work, I think so many people have to be onboarded, right? Isn't it pretty early to launch it without many users? I understand that this is a great idea, but I don't understand how are they going to scale it. An open source library for role management by Permify. Okay, nice. I wonder if it works with GCP. Then there is Window. Window is a simple and powerful online store builder. Okay. So we have seen 3 Shopify related apps today. This is awesome. So it manages all of these things, the funds and all also. This is a nice idea. Awesome. Think so. We are done for the day. We had many good apps today. So like starting with, I would go with CodeZ. So this is something very innovative and nice for like programmers, because the level of efforts they must have spent into like making this is purely amazing. And then we have Fuel Finance, because this thing is achieving many kind of requirements in one app itself under the one umbrella. So this is pretty awesome. And then what do we have as the third contender for today is Creator Kit. Yeah, Creator Kit, because like it makes the process of making every videos and stuff for your product available to all of the social medias and all very easy. So yeah, so this is something very nice. So these are the picks for today. So first was CodeZ, the second was Fuel Finance, and third was Creator Kit. Okay, so we looked at many good products today. So I hope every day turns out to be something like this. Let's hope for the best. Your next best thing, favorite thing. Cool. This is awesome. Okay, bye. Meet you all next time.